Yes, Batur! Bali! Okay, which one is that? I remember that's the north. Oh wait. That's north. So that's Ahmed over there. Wow. And you can see the other one in the other island. So it wasn't Gilichi.
That's been see Gilichi now.
No. Wow! So we're coming from a different point. Because the other time we went from the side and this is from the north. Wow, so lucky to see Batur because it's quite cloudy. You see? And this is the dolphins place. I don't know what's the name. Wow, the national park down there. Wow, looks crazy. That's Agung. Ah, so that's Agung. I see. I thought there was a Lombok there. Wow, you can see everything really clearly. Wow, big mountains. No wonder that is hard to. Wow. Really beautiful. It's very cloudy suddenly.